I hope you guys are doing well. I thought I'd quickly show you how to design a Printulu business card in our design manager. Fairly simple. So when you go into printulu.co.za, all products, business cards, you can select your product configuration here. As I've previously mentioned, be sure to only add one product configuration per product configuration. So what that means is like one business card for Sunny. So select the 250. It's an itchy type of day, people. Okay. Like let's say Sunny wants 200 business cards. Select her 200. Add to cart. Do that. Now, if you are not using your own design that you've got from a designer, or you created in Word or PowerPoint or whatever, then you can use our design manager. So you can do design art, you can add to cart. If you're doing multiple sets, I think that's where you're going to have a problem, because I don't think it's going to pull it through. I could be very wrong. Could be. Always, sometimes. Any hoosers. So when this is how the design manager looks. Excuse me. Just had a brain bombing moment there. So I'm just trying to look, where is this bloody file? Can't. Okay, here we go. So I've been using these files for quite a few examples the last while. So again, not really the most inspiring designs, but let's say you have your logo in PNG format or JPEG or whatever. You can pull it in. So that's done by add image. So you'll see here, it actually shows you like the image quality and that type of thing. So it's very important for you. If this is like red, it won't allow you to save the file unless it is like you've accepted the terms and conditions, because it's actually going to print badly if the quality isn't 300 dpi. So take note of that. Now, let's say, oh yeah, not what I wanted to do. Sorry. Okay, had a moment. So let's say we just want to, I don't know, make a rectangle. You can just do that and then double click on that. I'm just going to quickly cheat and get the color of this, and I'm going to do it the quick way and not the, there are other ways, so you can do it in Adobe or Preview or whatever. The other way is font values of the blue. I'm just using this one because I'm really lazy today. So usually you would have like a code for it or a CMYK value. So I copied the K value of the code, sorry. So code, accept. This isn't the best code, like it's a bit, you can see like it has a pink undertone, so I wouldn't necessarily advise using that, and I have said that on previous videos. Let's use that and whatever that may be. So these icons have been uploaded for you. Hey, sorry everybody, had a fright from a cat. And if my computer screen starts moving, it's because my cat's being an ass poop. Shingy, come here. Yeah, so I'm just trying to show you like the easiest way to do this. Yeah, and then from there you can decide what you want to do. As I mentioned, I did set up all these things. I've put it in a Google Drive, so it's really quickly for you guys to just do that. Now, let's say we want to add some text. Everybody knows my name is Jean, okay? It's not a major thing. We all know my name. Ooh, that was wrong. Undo. Okay, so once you have typed whatever you want to type, like everybody knows my name is Sean, everybody knows I'm a designer. Anywho, choose your font color. Okay, I think we might have to go just a wee bit bigger. So just so you know, business card font minimum size requirements is 5, so it will not, like, it won't allow you to go smaller than that. Hey Poppy, sorry, having a moment. Support at Printulu. So you can see the design manager at the top threw out a little warning. So that was when it was cutting off the lettering, which it should actually just automatically do that. Mana y'all. It's really not a very difficult thing. It's just special. I think it's this one, not this one. Oops, sorry, I always get my X and my Y's crossed, let's say. Okay, so once you've got that done, just duplicate it. Text cut off. I don't know why it's like a memory thing. That's okay, it's allowed to have a memory. So we're gonna do Printulu. Okay, and then we can duplicate that again. Okay, so that's like a very easy way to get a print ready design. Great. Okay, so now that you have your design done, which is not like going to rock any socks, you should know this grayish area, you should design into it like the blue is pulling into that. The reason for that is that's actually bleed. So it will print, but it won't show. It's like this is where it will trim off. Okay, so once you have this, I'm just going to actually on page 2, I'm just going to add the image in because we don't really need to make something amazing today. Maybe. Okay, so what I can show you quickly before I show you how to save it is that if you put it there, oh wait, let's do that. So if you go there, it will, when you try to save it, it will throw out a warning. So you should know that. So this is where you approve it. The reason why it will warn you is that it is a risk of element cutoff. So it's too close to the edge. So really quickly way to show you is basically safe text area is this amount inside. There shouldn't be any text there. Okay? Now let's say we have this. Ooh. I'm just gonna add that in there. So now once you've done your design, you just go to preview. So here you would usually basically you have to tick this that you're happy, you checked that there aren't any issues. You can see I told you about that blue being kind of like a really bad idea because it has like a pink undertone, and that's a very good example of it. You can see it here, so it's going to print like pinkish, but it doesn't matter for our purposes. So anyway, once you've done this, you select that, it goes green, and then you select done. This is automatically then uploaded into the system, so you can actually just pay. You can proceed to checkout and pay, or continue shopping and then design your next version. Yeah, that's pretty much how it works. Thanks, guys.